If you're a real estate agent wondering how to create an AI avatar or digital clone to grow your business online, listen up. AI avatars are changing the game for realtors nationwide, helping you create consistent video content, scale your brand, and stay visible without being on camera every day. Here's the truth: building a high converting digital clone isn't just about uploading a video into HeyGen. You need the right scripting strategy, delivery style, SEO positioning, and distribution plan so your avatar actually attracts buyers, sellers, and referrals. That's exactly what we teach inside my Glover U AI social media and marketing mastery course. In this class, you'll learn step by step how realtors can create AI avatars, write scripts that rank on YouTube, ChatGPT, and Google, and turn content into closings. If you're ready to scale smarter, go to http://www.gloveru.com social media marketing AI mastery